So in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install any app on your Vidaa Smart TV. Okay, what we can do first is we can go here into our home menu, and then we can all the way go down to the App Store. So in here in the App Store, we can install many different apps. But when we want to install like a download app or something else, then we see that we can't do this here on or in the App Store. So, and what we have to do to download any app is that we get like a Amazon Fire TV stick or something. Or what we also can try is that we go into here the browser, in the browser app, and then we can look for a download app or something like that. But it is really difficult to find something there which is working. So what I recommend to you is that you here buy Amazon Fire TV stick for the TV, and then you can easily download any app you want. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.